Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to unbox this Murtisol 14-inch electric bike that I picked up on Amazon. I'm going to unbox it and show you how easy the assembly is, and maybe after that I can take it for a test ride after I charge up the battery. So let me go ahead and unbox it and show you guys. So right here we have the instruction manual and the set of keys. There's 3 keys in here and a screwdriver and what looks to be like a power charger and some pedals as well, and some tools. So everything you need is in the packaging. So I'll set these aside. Here's the seat cushion, nice and soft. And we're just gonna swing this piece up and then lock this into place. And that should be locked. Here are the pedals. And these screw right on. And there is a wrench in here. And an Allen wrench. So these are loose when you first get them so that you can adjust it to your liking. And then just tighten it on the bottom. So I'll just tighten it temporarily for now. But these are the disc brakes. But definitely works. The front tires are not moving at all. This one requires a Phillips screwdriver, which I don't have on me right now. I'll get those pedals tightened up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got the pedals on, and apparently if it doesn't fit one way, try it the other side and it should work. And now the seat should be a lot easier. Minimum line is right here, so we'll get it down to here. We'll line that up. Might have to tighten it a little bit more, but here we go. All right. So turning it takes the battery right off, and this whole thing is a battery. 36 volts, 6 amps. All right, so let me go ahead and charge this up. And then we can take it for a spin and I'll let you know what it's like. But so far that's what it looks like. Assembly was super easy. All I had to do was swing up the front handlebar there, attach the pedals, which are pretty easy. And the pedals, if you push it in, you can fold them. And the seat cushion was pretty simple as well. But these, if you push in, you can fold them like that for easier storage, a little bit easier. And then you can fold them back out when you're ready to go. Okay, I'll be back with some footage. All right guys, so here's a close-up of the bike and the details. See the disc brakes. Got a nice solid kickstand. Air-filled tires with reflectors for safety and a splash guard right there. You have functioning brake lights and a reflector, adjustable seat with soft cushion, collapsible pedals. You do have to put the left in the left and the right in the right, so make sure you check that out. Solid frame that's very sturdy. Disc brakes and splash guard up front as well. Very nice. Alright, so here's what the front of the bike looks like. You can see it has headlights right there. There's the grip to unlock the front handle, air-filled tires, disc brakes, splash guard. Here's how you accelerate when you're in assist mode. You twist. There's the display unit, plus minus to change gears. There's 3 gears for 3 different speeds, or 0 for just, pedaling like a bike. There's a power button on top. And if you short tap it, it controls the lights on or off. And if you long press it, it controls whether the display is on or off. And there's a horn button right here. And the other brake caliper right here. You can see there are mounts right here for you to put a bottle holder or other accessory. There's the battery. And pretty simple to assemble, and it came in great shape. Alright, I'm going to charge the battery for the next several hours, and hopefully I can get it out here to take it on a test spin before it gets dark. Oh, this is nice. Quiet. So this scooter is super quiet and super comfortable, and right now I just want to show you the plus minus. You can set the speed all the way up to 3, which is the fastest, 2 is intermediate, and 1 is the lowest. It also shows your battery, and when you're going, it shows you how fast you're going right here. And once you start pedaling, this thing starts assisting you right away, as long as you're not in mode 0. And you can also use this to control the acceleration and of course the braking. I have the headlights on, as you can see, and when you brake, either of the brake pedals, the lights will come on. And the seat is super comfortable, and the whole ride is just super silent and quiet. So this is a very nice scooter. I mean, this is a very nice e-bike. It's small, practical, and it helps the environment, cut down on pollution. So this is a great alternative transportation mode for only a couple $100. I'm really satisfied with this. The ride quality is amazing. And it's super quiet, like I said. And assembly couldn't be any easier. And it's super stylish looking too. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.